So normally it is hello everyone. Today we are going to see the project name called Operator State Monitoring System. So fatigue is one of the major causes of accidents in the industrial and transportation systems where operators needs continuous attention. So it uses YOLOv8 for a person detection, MediaPipe for facial landmark detection and analysis high behavior using high aspect ratio and the per class metric to identify fatigue conditions. When fatigue is detected, the system generates an alert to prevent potential accidents. So this is our block diagram. Firstly, webcam captures the real-time video frames of the operator. These frames are then processed using a YOLOv8 object detections to identify whether a person is present in the frame. So after detecting the person, the face region is extracted and MediaPipe face mesh is used to detect detailed facial landmarks. From these landmarks, the eye region are identified. Next, the system calculates the eye aspect ratio, determine whether the eyes are open or closed. The per close algorithm then measures the percentage of eye closure over a period of time. So finally, if the per class value exceeds a predefined threshold, the system detects fatigue and displays the alert status through a graphical user interface. So this is our code. First, we are importing all the necessary libraries and then we are loading our YOLOv8 model to identify the face. So we are using a MediaPipe for eye detection. These are all our parameters. Like for a eye aspect ratio threshold, we are giving 0.23. If it is below this means then prices are closed. Like that, we are giving the threshold. So window sizes we are giving 10 and then per class threshold is 80. If it is 80 means then that time it will calculate that as a fatigue. So these are all the numbers where our eye should be mapped by using a MediaPipe. So how the eye aspect ratio calculations means like upper eyelid plus lower eyelid divided by the width of the eye. Like this we are calculating the eye aspect ratio calculation. So this is our GUI. In the GUI we can see a title called as operator fatigue monitoring system. So if you run means then the webcam should be open. So once webcam open means then each frame is every seconds it will be updated. So those frames will be given to our YOLO detection model. So our YOLOv8 model will detect the person and provide the bounding board with the name of person and then MediaPipe landmark. So in the person detection ratio, it will detect the eyes and it will provide the landmark for the eyes. So then it will calculate the eye aspect ratio threshold. So it will negotiate the blink frames. So how we per class calculated means, so here you can see, so per class formula is here. So closed frames divided by the total frames into 100. So this is the formula we used here. So for example, if total frames are 10 means, so in the 10 frames, if you closed frames 8 times means, then per class threshold is high only. So if it is 4 frames closed means, then it will trigger as a low. Here we gave the threshold. So here you can see per class threshold 80. So 80 means 80 percentage. So from the 10, if we close the frames 8 means, then if we multiply into 100 means, then 80%. So then it is high. So in the GUI, we can see a message like fatigue detected, or else if normal means we status should be in alert. So to run the program, we need to click run module. So once if we click the F5 means it will open the GUI. So this is our GUI. Here you can see operator fatigue monitoring dashboard. So it is detecting by using YOLO, it's detecting the person. Here you can see the EAR, eye aspect ratio calculation and per class calculation percentage and the frame per second. As of now it is 8 to 9 frame per second. So as of now this status is alert. So if you close your eyes means then that time per class will be 100%. So now I am blinking my eyes. You can see here the per class percentage are increasing. So if you close eyes for 1 second means then here you can see fatigue detected. So fatigue detected. So normally it is alert.